Oh, sorry about that.
Sorry about that. Are you heading in to see Mark?
Yeah, just about my meniscus tear.
Ho ho. Let me guess. He'll probably tell you you don't need a surgery either.
Well, I was hoping that, yes.
Good luck.
Hi, Mark. What are we doing first? Just go onto your toe and keep pushing your knee as far forward as you can and back. But I have a meniscus tear. I can't be doing. Maybe that man was right. That's why you're going to start by doing it off this box. It'll be a little easier for you. That's still hurting my knee a bit. Use this pole to start off with. Leaning on this will take some of the pressure off your knee. Yeah, that feels much better. Do you think I need surgery? I'm not here to tell you whether you should or shouldn't get the surgery. I just want to show you some of the other options you have available to you. It's up to you whether you want to go with it or not once we do that, but try that for a few weeks and see how you get on. All right, I'm pretty confident I can go without this now. This is getting a bit easy now. Try doing it off a lower box because you need a new challenge. As soon as that becomes easy, you can start doing it on the floor. Geez, I never thought I'd be able to do this when you first showed me, and my knee feels much better. You've certainly come a long way by gradually challenging yourself a little bit more each week. How come I was led to believe I needed surgery so badly? Well, for a lot of people, they don't have the patience to gradually work through a training program in the same way you are, or they may not be interested in doing things like running. But for many, they simply don't know that an alternative solution like this exists. So the easiest thing to do for them is to just get the surgery. But why wasn't I told this? Because surgeons sell surgeries, and I mean that with no disrespect, because people who provide solutions to injury without surgery sell solutions to repair injury without surgery. So it all depends on the environment you're exposed to and what the norms are. Exactly. Sometimes surgeons sell very necessary, life-changing surgeries that no amount of natural remedies could even come close to replicating. But other times they sell very unnecessary surgeries for injuries that could have been repaired naturally. And when it comes to the meniscus, although the literature is unclear whether it can adapt or not, the articular cartilage can increase in volume, surface area and thickness, which can support the meniscus, and the same goes for the glycosaminoglycates. And is the exercise you showed me how you would do that? So long as it's gradual in the way that you did it, it's certainly a great way to get started. Well, how can I discover what else I need to repair my injury without a surgery? Check out this video I made about getting more blood flow to the knee, because that's really important too.